Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a Kill-A-Kit video. Last month I was asked to be a member of the design team for scrapbookingstore.com, which is a kit club, and there are two levels. There's just the regular kit, which they try to keep at a very economical price, and it usually includes papers and either a sticker sheet or die cuts. And then they also have their upgrades, and that's just an embellishment kit you can add on. And excuse me if you hear my dogs, they're all looking for who I'm talking to. So for me with kits, I always like to see what can be done with them. What can you create? How much can you create? How usable are the products? Did you use everything that came in the kit and stuff like that? And because no matter what, you want to get a good value for your money. And Ms. Xanthes decided to join us at a run. And so I wanted to share with you what I made with this kit and what I have left over. So I managed to create quite a few things. And just so you know, yes, I am a member of the design team, but they only asked me to create 1 to 2 projects a month. And I had so much fun with this kit that I just created a whole bunch more. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I created was this 1-page layout with 2 photos called Dogs in Fall Color. And I did forget, there is a video for this and I will link it below. But every time I say Dogs in Fall Color, I say it to the beat of the song Nights in White Satin. Fun fact. Next, I actually created 4 cards. Now, I don't film my card videos simply because I tend to do cards in fits and spurts. So using some inks from my stash, as well as some of the stickers, don't be a dork. And then some of the 3x4 cards and some of the stickers, and then the stamp set and some sequins from my stash. And then there's a 4th card that I'm putting in right here where I used a bunch of the feather die cuts, as well as a stencil and some ink from my stash. I did give that card away already, so that's why I don't have it here. Next, I actually created a double page layout. The video for this would have come out yesterday, or the day before yesterday, because today is the day after Thanksgiving. American Thanksgiving. So here's one I created for that. I used all my little critters because it worked with the layout, as well as, it worked in the sense that I got to use all the little critters. During the Facebook Live for Scrapbooking Store, I created this one. I love this one. It turned out so super cute. And then also during a live, this time over on my own YouTube page, I created this one. So that is 3 single page layouts, 1 double page layout, and 4 cards that I created with this kit. So what do I have left over? Well, obviously I still have the stamp set, and this will just go with my other stamps. I have 2 of the dimensional bird stickers left and 2 of the layered or dimensional butterfly stickers left. These were actually 2 separate packs. I just put them in 1 pack to save some space. I have 6 of the embossed butterflies left. And considering we started with 18, I did use a good amount of them. And then this is what I have left of the paper. I can't even pick it up. Here we go. This is what I have left of the paper. Now, obviously, there is enough here to make another layout using just the scraps. So what I think I'm actually going to do is keep this kit together. This is what I have left of the feathers, not a whole lot. And then this is what I have left of the sticker sheet. And obviously I used quite a bit of that as well. But I think what I am going to do is just keep this together. I think I will move this over to my stamp set though. Not my stamp set. I have 1 stamp set and now I have 2. That is a joke. But I think I'm going to still keep this together rather than breaking it apart because, as I said, I think I could definitely still do another layout with it. All right, so that is what I have made with my November 2019 kit. I'm super excited because my December kit just arrived. So actually, right after this video, I'm going to go ahead and put up another video. Before I leave, I want to say, if you are watching this on November 29th through December 2nd, 2019, up on the screen right now are two graphics. Scrapbooking Store is having a Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale. So on these 4 days, using these two different codes, you can save 15% off on a subscription to scrapbookingstore.com, and or you can save 40% off individual items in the store, past kits and other odds and ends they've got going on. I believe they said they've got some scrapbookers gifts for Christmas and along those lines. So if you want to hop on over, you can do that. In the description box below, there will be a link that is an affiliate link for me. It saves it makes you spend no more money, but it just gives me a tiny bit of a commission. So if you have any interest in going through the store that way, I would be greatly appreciative. All right, folks, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you had a lovely Thanksgiving if you celebrate that. Hope you are enjoying this festive season coming upon us, no matter what you celebrate. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.